Hello yarn lovers! If you love stitches that look fancy but are secretly super simple, the iris stitch is about to be your new favourite. So today I'm using this Stylecraft Serene Aran. It comes in some really beautiful shades. You can use any yarn you like, just use the recommended hook size on your yarn ball band. Today I'm going to be using a 5.5mm hook. If you would like to find out more about this yarn, I've just left a full review over on my blog and I'll leave a link in the description for that if you would like to check it out. So I'm going to start my swatch with a slip knot on my hook, and you want to chain a multiple of 4. So just count in 4s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep counting in 4s until your starting chain is as wide as you want your project to be. Then you're going to add 2 extra chains. 1, 2. Now I like to start with a foundation row of single crochet when I'm crocheting stitches where you have to skip stitches. I think it gives a neater start. So I'm going to start by putting a single crochet in the second chain, and then go ahead and put a single crochet into each chain all the way across. So I've worked all the way across with a single crochet in each stitch, and I'm going to chain 3. That's 1, 2, 3, and turn. Now this chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so this first stitch here belongs to the chain 3. So we're going to skip the next stitch, which is this one, and in the following stitch we're going to put 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. We're next going to skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the following stitch 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and we're just going to repeat this across now. So it's skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and again skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then our iris stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and you should have 2 stitches left. We're going to skip the next one, and in the last stitch we're going to put double crochet. And we will chain 3. Again, this counts as a double crochet, and turn. And this is the row that we're going to repeat. So from now on we're going to be working into those chain 1 spaces we made from the previous row. So we're going to skip across all of these stitches and go straight into this chain 1 space with 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. We're going to skip across all of these stitches, look for that next chain 1 space, and 2 double crochet in there, chain 1, 2 double crochet. And we're going to do this into each chain 1 space across. And same in this very last chain 1 space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and then we're going to end up by putting a double crochet into the top of our chain 3. If you remember, that chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we're going to put double crochet in there, and then chain 3 and turn, And we're ready to start our next round. I'll show you once more so that you can easily remember. So we're just looking for the chain 1 spaces from the previous row. So it's 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and we're working this into each chain 1 space from the previous row. This stitch would make a beautiful scarf. You could use it for a top or a blanket, anything you like really. And then once we get to the end of the row, finish with a double crochet into the top of that chain 3. And there you have the iris stitch. So once you've worked a few more rows, the fabric will start to look a bit like this. If you're enjoying this video, then why not subscribe to our mailing list? You will stay up to date with all our new patterns and tutorials, along with other fun stuff like blog hops, freebies and discounts. Click the link at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.